Lucky chance. Let's go. 2 minis. 50-cent bet. Let's go. $10 minis. Smack that major. Sometimes it's fun to play a lucky chance spin. Come on, minor. I saw you floating around there. Alright, one more. Fill it in. Hit it. Smack it. Heck yeah. Noise changer. Let's go. Lucky chance. Fill it in. Alright, one up here. Oh, they're both in there. Oh. Hey. This is not bad for a lucky chance. 2 minis. At 38 cents. $33. Heck yeah. Lucky chance, 2 spins. For 38 cents got me $33.05. Alright, one back up stead just cuz. Well, do 2. Oh, we want to keep winning? Let's see. That's it. That was one back up. Gonna collect that. That was fun. Thank you, Kung Fu Master, here at the Rivers Casino.